Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. Most workplaces have Windows at the heart of their business. That'll be why 95% of malware detected this year was targeted at Microsoft's operating system. That's according to new data. These attacks are nearly always unsuccessful, but those that do make it through can cause havoc for the affected businesses. So you need to be doing everything you can to stop cybercriminals getting their foot in your front door, because you don't want to be one of the unlucky ones. That means keeping your systems updated, training your team what to look out for, and having a plan so everyone knows what to do if they think an attack is underway. This is the kind of thing we do every day. So if you're worried you might not have the right protection in place, get in touch now. We're here to help. That's your tech update. More next week.